They're $1 each or $11 for the dozen. So you can like 12 for every 12 you get one of the 12 for free.
It would, okay, if you want 15 roses, it would be $14.
So it'd be 140 for a whole bunch, right?
Sorry?
It'd be 140 for everything.
140.
$140 for everything.
You said,
Yeah, but you gotta do me a favor. You gotta give them out food, right?
I can hear you.
You have to give them out. You just give them out today. Now you spend the day nice. You just give them to everybody. Don't sell any of them. Give them all away. Right? Because don't be like that. Don't be like that. It's a happy day. Come on. Look, now you just give them out. Now you just give them out. But promise me you'll give them out. Promise?
promise.
I'll give you a pound. I'll bring it in.
The next stop is 59th Street. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Fantastic.
For anybody who wants a rose, you can come and get one. Free roses. Help me out, guys. Woo.